Hey, we're going to do a brisk walk today at 40 acres out in the Palos Hills Trail. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to go for less than 40 minutes because it's a lot of big hills out here. Get ready, get set. Let's count it down. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different, but something that's incredibly special to me. We're heading into one of my absolute favorite escapes, 40 acres woods, part of the incredible Sag Valley Trail system. If you're looking for peace, stunning nature, and a real sense of getting away from it all, even when you're close to home, then this is the place. Come on, let's go explore. Things I really like about this is that as soon as you leave that parking lot, man, you are right into the beginning of this yellow trail. And we're going to see some places that just bring back so many memories as I walk. You see that notch right there on that tree? The first time I did this trail, it saved me from being lost. There's something in there. We're going to do the yellow. We're headed to Big Bertha. Okay, walking Big Bertha today. This is a tough trail, but should be a lot of fun. Probably be about half a mile before I get down there. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do 2 or if I'm going to do 4 miles today. I haven't made up my mind. See how I feel. When we talk about Big Bertha, the runners gave it that nickname. It's a really steep hill. And so in this particular case, what we're going to do is we're going to go down Big Bertha, walk across, and then walk up Little Bertha. If I'd gone the other way, I would have gone down Little Bertha and then came back up Big Bertha. I guess the horses do come this way. Made it. Big Bertha. said, a half mile in. Coming up on the bottom. Hey, today's the type of day you don't mind when you're out here. It is so beautiful. Both sides. I've walked down here in the past. You hear the little brook. We've caught the crawfish before when we've been out here. But here's why this is not so bad. You don't mind it because of the trees. They provide lots of shade. All right, I had to get on the little state route here so that I could connect the two paths. I don't recommend walking on the street. As you can see, I think maybe the next time I'm going to get back on that path. You can see right over there. I'm gonna just walk up here this time. I think the next time I might park here and then do my walk circle from here. Coming up on 1 mile. I'm a little slow today. It's the midway point.
Total distance 1 mile. Total time 19 minutes and 58 seconds. Split speed 3.0 miles per hour.
This thing here is where people, when you have your horses out here, you can tether them. Next part of the trail is going to be all uphill, and I'll be able to show you my elevation gain. Okay, here I come, catching up on my walk. Okay, let's go this way around the mud. butterflies. Decisions. If I was going to go to Swallow Cliff, you go that way. We're going to go back. Little Bertha. I am sweating. I'm almost at the top. What a football field's length to be to the top. I made it. At least the heavy incline is over with. Smooth sailing the rest of the way. If you enjoy the content that I'm doing out here, please hit that subscribe button on the bottom. I post on a regular basis, healthy living with Luke. Coming up on the end, somebody else is going to do the Big Bertha side and come back up Little Bertha. Well, I just decided to do the 2 miles today. It's 90 some degrees here in Chicago. I can't wait to get back to my water and Gatorade, I'll tell you that. Almost there. Hey, back to the trailhead here at 40 acres. Whew, good walk so far. I got 0.4 to go to complete the 2 mile circuit. So I'm gonna keep it right here. I'm in the parking lot. Guess it is hot. Okay, did the 2 miles.
Distance 2 miles. Total time 39 minutes and 19 seconds. Split speed 3.1 miles per hour.